as we prep for our test on Friday. Okay? All right, number 3. We got our pre-image here, ABC. I'm going to mark all 3 of my dots. A is at 210. B is at 1010. C is at 8-2. Big old triangle here to start us out. Triangle number 1. I'm going to use my ruler, obviously, to connect all my dots. This is number 3, yes. 1 in the middle. Here's C, B, and A. So that's where I'm starting out. Every single thing we do here builds on the previous shape. So if I start out with the wrong shape, every shape after that is also wrong. AB, are you looking at this? It's the last one in that packet I gave you, my friend. It should be green. Maybe I didn't give it to you. Here you go. We're on number 3. Okay. What's the first transformation we need to do? Translate. Perfect. I'm going to translate 1 to the left and 11 down. If I'm going to write the rule for that, who can help me write this translation rule? It's going to be X something something, Y something something. Munaza, what do you got? Good? Perfect. Why do we have minuses here instead of pluses?
Because it's negative.
That's right. Munaza said when you go left, that's a negative X movement. If you go down, that's a negative Y movement. Right? And if you ever forget which direction is which, all you have to do is look for the rule of translations notes, where we clearly list out up, down, left, and right, and what they are. Okay, question, Alex? Okay, we're going over this one right now so you can see what went wrong. Okay, so copy that one on video, okay? It's okay. All right. So when I translate this 1 to the left and 11 down, I'm going to go 1 left, 11 down for A prime, 1 left, 11 down, C prime, 1 left, 11 down, B prime. All right. I'm going to use my ruler to make some nice straight lines so my triangles don't look gross. Throw a 2 in the middle. What are my A prime coordinates? A prime.
1, -1.
Perfect. What about B prime?
9, -1.
Perfect. And C prime?
7,
Good. Translations are the only type of transformation where the actual numbers in my points are going to change. So from now on, all these points down here should have 1s, a 9 and a 1, and a 7 and a 9. We may swap the order. We may not. We may flip the signs. We may not. But the numbers themselves are not going to change. Right? Next thing I need to do. Okay, this is for triangle number 2. I'm going to label them off to the side so I know which one is which, of course. Transformation number 3 tells me I need to rotate. Now, we don't have to memorize or know our rotation rules. Here it is listed for you, -X, -Y. Right? Now, let's say you lost your slide and Mr. Church is not going to give you a new one, but you still need to rotate on the test. What can I do? Well, this rule tells me that I just need to flip the sign of my x and flip the sign of my y. So I look at my most recent points right here. If I flip my x coordinates 1, 9, and 7, what do they become? -1, -9, and -7. The numbers stay the same, but I flip the signs. What do -1, -1, and -9 become when I flip the signs? +1, +1, and +9. For those of you that used your transparent slides, does that look like the same coordinates you got? Yeah, go ahead. Anyone else? Are those the same coordinates you guys got, yes or no? Yes? Okay. So then I can just plot the points. -1, 1, -9, 1, -7, 9. C double prime, B double prime, A double prime. I'll connect those all up. There's triangle number 3. Right? And finally, I'm going to reflect across the x-axis. What's my rule for a reflection across the x-axis? Let's take a look. All right, let's take a look. If I'm asking for the rule of reflection, I should probably find the lesson titled Rule of Reflections. Right? If you're not writing the heading in your notes, you don't know what lesson that is, which is your fault, unfortunately. I have 2 rules of reflections. I highlighted them. This is my rule when reflecting across the x-axis. This is my rule after reflecting across the y-axis. What axis is this asking me to reflect across? Yeah, the x. So I look, boom, right here. What's my rule, Munaza? X, comma, -y. Give me a thumbs up if you got that down here for this last box. Nathan did, Munaza did, Taiba did, Eli did, that's it. Perfect, Abdul did. So I'm going to take my red shape, I'm going to count how many spaces towards this x-axis that red shape is, and I'm going to count the same number past. A and B are easy because they're only 1 space away. C double prime is how many spaces away though? 9 spaces. I'm going to go 9 more. Boom. There's C triple prime. Once again, connecting all my dots to make a nice straight triangle and throw that 4 in the middle. Right? What are my coordinates for A triple prime? My final A coordinates. -1, -1. -9, -1, and perfect. Right? So remember, like I said, when I translated, that changed all the numbers in my coordinates. But then if I look, all my numbers are the same. I'm just changing the signs. Sometimes I'll swap the order, sometimes not. Depends on if you're rotating 90 or 180. Give me a thumbs up if your graph on number 3 looks exactly like that. Nice. Questions I can answer about number 3? Okay.